Hi. One of the things that causes so much unnecessary pain in our life is what we call stress. All the things, that we need to do, that we have to do, that we haven't done, that are still chasing us. All this noise. So if you want to make some, order in this and reduce the level of stress in your life, so please join as you take full responsibility for your process. So, think about the stress in your life, not in any particular area, but the whole of it, whole package, all the stress in your life. If you need more time, stop the video so you can really concentrate and feel it, yeah? Feel the stress, see it, all of it, as a one big package. Yeah. And give it a number between 0 and 10, how big it is. But 0 it is nothing, and 10 is very big. And if necessary, you can make it 200 or 2,500,000, whatever, yeah? Whatever is your size. I remind you, you can stop the video at any time. Okay, so you feel the stress and you have a number, you know how big it is, so you know your starting point. So we tap together and you say out loud with me. I let it all go. I let it all go. As simple as that. I let it all go. I don't need it. I don't want all this stress. Some is okay, but this is far too much, and I don't need it. So I let go of it. It's safe to let go. Safe for me to relax. Safe to be light. It's safe to be happy. I choose to let it all go. I don't need all this burden, all this heavy weight on my shoulders, in my heart and mind. I let it all go. Let go of my worries, all the things I have to, that I didn't do, the failures, the disappointments, the expectations, other people, all this noise. Just let it go. It's melting away, disappearing. It's okay. I will be safe without it. I will be safe without it. It's okay. I let go. And take a deep breath. So, all this stress, yeah? Feel it. See it, feel it, all the package, yeah? In together. It's melting away. Evaporating. Dissolving. It becomes transparent. No longer there. Shrinking and shrinking, and it's okay. It's a relief. You don't have to be anything. You don't have to impress anyone. You don't need to rush or pretend or be perfect. It's okay. Internally, I know it's okay. It's okay in me. I let go of the fears. They no longer stop me. They no longer manage me. I'm managing me. I let go. Yes, I let go. And a deep breath. So, all this stress, yeah? All this package of stress. See it, feel it, again, give it a number between 0 and 10. What's the size of it now? And I'll see if there's any colors. Intuitively, any color that comes up in you about this. I let it all go. It's evaporating, transparent. I can see through it. It's clear now. Take it off my shoulder. Take it off my mind. Take it off my heart. I can breathe now. It's safe. My body relaxes. And it's okay. I'm doing all right. I'll just let go. So once again, see all this stress. And imagine that you put it all in a balloon. Yeah? Whatever size the balloon is, yeah? Maybe this size, or maybe whatever size your balloon is, yeah? So look at the balloon with all your stress packed in, you know? And you draw on the balloon a smiley. 2 eyes and a nose, all in red, smiley. And you look at the balloon with all your stress inside and it smiles back at you. So smile at it and it smiles at you. All this stress, I'm smiling at it. It's not that dramatic. It's not that heavy anymore. It's just what it is. I let go of it. The balloon is getting smaller. There's many holes in it. It is shrinking and shrinking, and it flies away. Just flies away with the wind. I'm free to be myself. Free to be who I am. I let it all go. It's okay. I know all is well. Take a deep breath. You obviously know that most of the stress in our life is caused by the ways in which we meet life inside. Yeah, what we do with it, and it's all these extra dramas. Yeah, that causes the stress in our life. When we get angry or worried or expecting a disappointment and all these extra unnecessary dramas. So decide in yourself that that you see it and you don't want the dramas. What it is. You do what you can do about it, or don't do, but without the dramas. Just the thing itself. Yeah? You clear the dramas. You don't need them. No? And we can live much more happily without these dramas. I let go of the dramas. I choose to love myself. I choose to be kind to myself. I choose to be kind to life. I choose to look after life. I choose to be kind. I choose to be gentle. It's safe to be like that. It's absolutely safe to be like that. I'm letting go. It's okay. It's natural. I just let go. So this is it. Yeah? Look after yourself. Remember, no dramas. Just do what you can. And it's good enough. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. See where you can help, you can contribute. Bring some easement, some strength or hope to your life, to other people's life. Let's make this place a wonderful place for all of us. Thank you. Keep well. Bye-bye.